recently Dr. Gimleski and Andrew Pillin at UCLA with very, very highly specific microscopes with nanotechnology. They discovered that the cells, each cell emits a sound. And this sound is different in illness as and in health. So in a way, the cells sing.
I really appreciated Dr. Caicedo's lecture. I thought it was incredibly interesting. As someone that studied music in undergrad, that was my major, I always felt like someone that looked for connections between music and medicine, and so it was really exciting to hear from someone who has significant training both as a medical doctor and as a musicologist.
Our relationship with the patient and with the communities is what really is the key for the healing process and for the prevention of illnesses. And music helps. It's a cathartic tool. It's also kind of a bridge to embrace the other, to arrive to the other, to their emotion. Very direct, no words, just the emotion.
An example of this is her newest book, We Are What We Listen to, The Impact of Music on Individual and Social Health. So I'm going to read a quick excerpt from her book that stood out to me. In particular, she's talking about music, but what I hear in it is, to me, the essence of kind of the therapeutic relationship.
Thrive, our medical student well-being initiative, is building to be not only co-curricular but curricular. So we're looking at all different ways that we can build into the curriculum the development of the student as an individual, personally and professionally.
At every hospital we presented a concert, and I observed that the music helped the patients to feel better and for moments to forget about their pains and problems.
I feel like in medical school especially, it's really easy to kind of put blinders on and you get lost in the vacuum of disease, pathology, but this doesn't happen in a vacuum. And so music kind of brings in, the psychosocial aspect of a patient, of a human being.
The embodied experience is as important as the rational experience, so music helps that. And this is essential for the relationship between doctor and patient.